Are we stuck in our ways, or are we afraid of change? You know, change can be a bad thing, you know, and also change can be a good thing. Change as in, if you lose your job, alright, that's a big change right there, because you lost your income. Okay, but then you also have to look at it as in a good positive way. Okay, somebody didn't want you there, God didn't want you there. Maybe it's your time to go. And then also you have to look at it as in change, as in if somebody's been treating you wrong and you're not trying to let that person go, it's time to change it up. And what I mean by that is, like, that person hurt you, and so like you're trying to change him or change her, but they're not trying to change yourself. So you're afraid to lose them, but they're not afraid to lose you. So you need to change and lose them and try to find yourself. Because most times people are trying to hold on to the past and things that got them to the future. Okay, and what you got to the future it's a different century, or different years has passed by. So things have adapted, and just like giraffes, they have short necks, they have long necks now, so they can get their food. So just like them, we have to adapt to things around us. And I'm not saying that it's a good thing or it can be a bad thing, but there's always a positive outlook on change.